Hi, I'm Susan Stone, Director of Outpatient Services at Lancaster General. I'd like to welcome you to the Downtown Pavilion, located at 540 North Duke Street. Downtown Pavilion is a 62,000 square foot building, ambulatory building, 4 stories. We'll be providing lab testing services, imaging services, MRI will be located here. We're going to have a lot of services for the employees. The employee health department is moving over to the Downtown Pavilion, as is we're going to have a convenience store here that employees can stop on their way home, get a loaf of bread, gallon of milk. We're also going to have a fitness center that employees can work out free of charge. All Lancaster General employees can do that. We're also going to have our family health services located on the 3rd floor of this building. And it's just really a hybrid approach. This is the ground floor of the Downtown Pavilion. It's the main entrance coming off of the patients, being dropped off or coming off of the parking garage that is located for the patients. This floor will be, like I said, it will be the lobby where patients will check in, get information about the building. The services on this floor are lab testing services, diagnostic imaging, as well as MRI. One of the really cool process changes that we made for this building is something that we're calling schedustration, and that process actually kind of involves the combination of scheduling, insurance verification, and registration. And our goal for this building is to get patients in the building and back to their procedure area very quickly. We're currently in the lab testing suite. In this suite we have 8 private blood draw stations, or pods that we're calling them currently. This is a process change, and the way we'll be doing this is the patients will be brought back from the lobby once they arrive directly into one of the pods, and the phlebotomist who is staffed in the area will actually be able to enter their orders, print out the labels, do everything they need to do in the computer. They have a computer, they have a label printer, and they'll draw their blood right there, and then the patient can be on their way. We actually also have 3 Ekg rooms. One of them will actually they'll also serve as lab testing stations, and one will have a pediatric theme to it for our pediatric patients that we can take back into those private areas to draw their blood. Right now I'm standing in the control area of the Sleep Lab Center. We have expanded the number of beds that we have in the Sleep Lab Center. We currently have 12 beds. Each room has a queen-size bed, ceiling fan, private bath for the patients. The control room is in the middle of the floor, and the exam rooms are all the way around the control area. This is the future home of the Employee Fitness Center. Behind me will be the area where employees will be able to work out on the different exercise equipment. We'll have, treadmills, bikes, that type of thing, free weights. We also have a group exercise room where they'll be able to do aerobics, that type of thing, just different kinds of activities in there. We also have our physical medicine and rehab department, which is located just through these doors here, so they'll actually share some equipment. We have locker rooms for both the employees as well as the patients, in order for them to be able to shower after they work out or they're having their therapy session. The phasing for the different departments moving to the Downtown Pavilion, the first phase will begin on December 8th, and that will be the lab testing area, diagnostic imaging, employee health, and then Pulmonary Associates of Lancaster, Cardiothoracic Surgeons of Lancaster, our outpatient pulmonary function testing area, as well as our sleep lab. They will all be included in the first phase, December 8th. The second phase will be mid-January, and we're looking at the services for that time frame being our physical medicine and rehab department, as well as our family health services. And then soon after that, we will be opening the fitness center, our MRI, as well as Outtakes, the convenience store.